Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will learn another amazing sales dashboard creation through Power BI, like dashboard overview and formulas which is required for our analysis and the background design, right? So let's like we have some of these steps which are involved in the dashboard creation. Those are: import the data to Power BI, edit the data in the Power Query editor for our key elements, and create the columns, create the measures, create the visuals, and format the dashboard background, and finally like format the visuals. So these are the steps which are involved in this dashboard creation. So you can see that it's again fully interactive where and all the information, right? So let's not waste the time, let's gear it and start.